Hello everyone! In this video, we'll explore the do's and don'ts of being in or around other vehicles. I hope you absorb valuable lessons that will enhance your driving skills. Let's begin. In many places, people only get off when the bus is just a few inches away, still holding their phones in their hands. This is a problem for many motorcyclists that they often misjudge the speed of their vehicles. The truck was a rogue ship, nearly crashing into officers while dodging the red SUV. Always stay alert on the road. The accident in Ulston, caused by a drunk truck driver, affected 26 people. It serves as a lesson for everyone, and hopefully the authorities will take stricter action. It was a shocking moment. People believed that the cause wasn't the driver's careless driving, but rather that the ferry door wasn't closed properly. A trailer crashed into two vehicles and fell off a bridge on the Saltillo Highway, exposing serious road dangers. A rogue tire strolled onto the highway, causing panic stops and a domino effect of fender benders. This incident happened in Milan between an ATM bus carrying passengers and a garbage truck. The bus is accused of not stopping at a red light, which caused the accident. Prioritizing safety on the road is crucial. If you can't drive, just leave your license at home. At Seas Beer and Netzabel, a fire truck collided with a pickup, despite the siren. The driver thought he was a second firefighter. Oh my goodness, that was so close. The truck tipped dangerously, turning an ordinary drive into a heart-pounding escape. Stay alert on those mountain roads.
先离开现场。
For some reason, parking lots are where the mindless accidents happen most. The truck decided to turn the airport into its personal playground. What do you think about that? Please, share your thoughts.
你的世界网是这个车车掉出来的。
Thank you for watching Big Crash Channel's videos. If you enjoyed our journey of discovery, don't miss out on what's next. Subscribe, like, and share our videos. See you soon.